Oh my god. Holy smokers. Look at that. Sheets of rain. Oh! Oh my goodness. This reminds me of Bibble. Wow. Just came out of nowhere. It's not going to stay for long though. It's too bad we don't have like a table or something. I can videotape this on the table. Oh my god. All we have is just heat lightning and we're just getting the pounds of rain right now. There. Calm right down. Wow. I pressed the button by accident. I had to do part two. This was good, man. This was good. Wow. That was incredible, man. Now, this is what I mean when it comes to a thunderstorm or something. Wow, it's over already. Look how fast it is. They moved out already. Dang, oh my. Oh, there's some lightning, guys.